you hate wearing wig caps in the summertime, wig today is giving you a mono mesh attachment. Take a moment to like the video, subscribe, and also be sure to turn on that bell for notifications. This is what the hairline looks like straight out the box. This wig can be worn glueless. As you can see, it is a drawstring wig. They also added a comb back there so that you can secure it. To also secure this wig with tape. If you don't know anything about the material, this material is put in there so you don't have to wear a wig cap if you don't want to. It's going to look like scalp when you part it. The lace itself, this is how much space you get. So this is what the hair texture is. Super gorgeous, just a wavy texture. It's not as thick as the previous one I showed you guys earlier this week. This hair is from UniceHair. I will have it linked below in the description box. So when you apply a wig with the mono mesh attachment, you will notice that you will not need a wig cap under, because that parting is going to automatically open up and look like scalp. Alright, so I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share with you guys another wig from UniceHair. This one is not as curly as the previous one. It's a lot less curly. It's more wavy, a little bit more silkier. So I'll wet it down later and show you guys what it looked like. If you know about the fake scalp method, you know that was one of my original methods. I loved it because when you go to part your wig, you don't need a wig cap, and on top of that, it's supposed to help this area just look like scalp. You can part aside, part if you want. So you can easily go like this, and look how much that looks like scalp. It doesn't just look like laces sitting there, or you have a wig cap. You won't see that line of separation because it's made to blend very well, as you can see. Already I am loving this texture. It's so silky, it's so pretty. What we're going to do is we're going to install it today with the tape on the sides, and we're going to pull the drawstring. I love the drawstring wig because you can take it and get it as tight as you need it if your head is smaller, or if you just want to go glueless. Take this little knob and you just pull until you get the hold that you want. Make sure it's comfortable, of course. Then you just want to tuck that string, and then take the comb and tuck it underneath. Now to lay down the sides, you just want to remove the paper off the tape. And they do give you extra tape in your packaging. And just press it down, lay down them sides like so. Now they do give you a lot of extra space here. If you need to cut it, you can, and just reapply the tape in that area. I do have a full video on how to apply tape for a really good hold. Today I'm just sticking it down just at the ear tab area so this area can lay flat. It's very secure. It's not going anywhere. That drawstring is amazing. I really like the drawstring. I'm not going to add any glue or anything. We're just going to touch it up. Probably switch the parting. Should I keep the middle part? If you don't care to curl your hair or want to do any type of styles that require for you to add heat to your hair, you can just keep yourself cool while spraying your hair. So stay styled at the same time without having to do so much. I'm just going to add some hair mousse. So you can definitely tell the difference between this wave and the previous one I shared with you all earlier this week. It was more tamed. I'm just going to take my hot comb and smooth the hairline. You can see that made a difference. When you pull the hairline up, it kind of gives the illusion that it's growing out of the scalp rather than just sitting on the scalp. I'm going to flatten this area because that's the way I like it. You don't have to do this part, it's optional. This looks so good. Let me know in the comment section, do you like this wave? I'm giving more of a sleek vibe. I'm wavy, but I'm still very sleek, and it's pretty. This is what the hairline looks like there, but I'm still with no glue, and it's very tight here because I'm using a drawstring. This is a 13x4. I will put all of the information for this wig below in the description box. Be sure to check below the video, and while you're down there, do not forget to click the subscribe button. Also like the video, turn on your bell for notifications. I do upload 3 times a week, so if you're not seeing me on your subscription page because you haven't clicked that bell yet, you haven't clicked that subscribe button, it should pop up. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I like it, y'all. I like it. If you wanted to, you can part it to a side part. I'm gonna do a quick hairstyle for you guys. Do you guys remember, if you are a 90s kid or early 2000s kid, or even the 80s, do you guys remember side swoop with wavy hair? Let's do that. Drop me a comment. What type of hairstyles did you like when you was a teenager? If you're a teenager now, what's your favorite hairstyles? I remember always wearing the side swoop or twist. So I would take my hair and then I would kind of do it like this and kind of swoop it down. I'm not gonna make it crunchy or anything. And if you know, you know. Back in the day, we was hiding our foreheads like crazy because we was ashamed of our foreheads. Yes, I remember those days. So the side swoop was very popular. I'm gonna take a little butterfly clip and just put it there. I know you guys remember the butterfly clips. And swoop it down. And then on this side, kind of do the same thing. Now I didn't really do a full side swoop here. Just kind of pulling it back at an angle. I'm gonna add another clip, go in with a little bit of hair mousse and bring down some sides. And as you can see, it's so easy to control the hair with this one. So as you can see, nice side part, little side swoop, very cute. So this is the finished result. I hope you guys like today's. Looks very good. Even with the side part, you are able to switch it up. Don't forget all the specs for the wig, the length, all of that will be in the description box. Be sure to open that description box and get all the information. And don't forget to like the video and share it also. But I really like this texture. It's very pretty. Again, this wig is from UniceHair. Thank you guys so much for joining me back for today's video, and I'll see you in my next video. Take a moment to like the video, subscribe, and also be sure to turn on that bell for notifications. To catch up on more content from me, be sure to click my name and you will be taken to my channel where you can find a lot of helpful videos for hairstyling tips and tricks, and also you can find more content that you might have missed over on my channel.